From Washington, D.C. to Yibin, China, then to Yilong, China. This is a true story. Maybe it could have been yours. Yeah. Jonathan, 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 Jonathan. Oh, to Jade, a Chinese businesswoman selling wholesale baby shoes in China. She spoke Chinese, I spoke English. Our phones became our voices. Translation after translation, a friendship was born. She smiled, you are my black brother from the United States. Then she said, come to Yilong. It would be my honor to show you where I grew up. Not the China on postcards, but the China inside my heart. Yilong, China forever. Different road, same love. Different home, same heart. Same heart. Thank you for welcoming me like family. Jade, your kindness will always live inside my heart. Jade on a brand new Mercedes, then Jade put on her white driving gloves. This is the Indy 500. Jade was flying down the highway. Just imagine being on the Autobahn in Germany, like the wind, and she smiled. Peter, your turn. I drove on a Chinese highway, except Jonathan did not tell me to bring a white glove also. I will never forget that trust, to be a race car driver on the highway of China. Then we arrived in Yilong. A wedding, firecrackers, children smiling. Life moved a little slower at Jade's traditional home. The floor was made of earth. The house was simple, but every room was filled with love. The bed I slept on felt warmer than my hotel in Chongqing, because love makes every place feel like home. Morning came. Peter, wash hands, wash face, brush your teeth. Cold mornings, boiled eggs, rice, warm noodles for 3 beautiful days. I lived the peasant life in China. No shower, no problem. Not as a visitor, but as a brother. Jade introduced me to her mother, her father, her brothers, her sisters, her cousins, her family. I'll never forget. That tea was delicious, but it attacked my bladder. Every bathroom was occupied. I couldn't hold it, I literally peed on myself. Jay laughed, Jonathan laughed, I laughed too. Best tea, worst timing, best memory. Together we visited the birthplace of Marshal Jade, a son of Yilong, a hero. Remember with honor. History lives here, so does the heart of China. Yilong, China forever. I came looking for business, but I found a family. The baby shoe business still waits, but friendship never did. If Yilong is your hometown, this song is for you. If you live far from home, close your eyes, come back for one more dance. Yilong, Yilong, China forever. China, 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 China. Yilong. China forever. Forever. Shakespeare, Messi, Angel, merci, thank you. To Jade, thank you for opening your home, your family, and your heart to beautiful China. It was an honor to walk your roads today. I return, not with business, but with Konpa, the music that raised me. This is my gift to everyone, from Yilong to one of the most hospitable people on earth, the Chinese people, with gratitude, respect, and love. Every village has a song, every family has a story, every creator